So when I was a kid, I was given a dish called Baingan Bharta, and only today did I realize why it's called a bharta. Bharta basically translates to mash, which makes complete sense because this is a roasted eggplant mash curry. Let's get started right now. I will first get started by roasting the eggplant. I'm using my electric smooth cooktop and put a wire rack over the stove to roast that eggplant. But if you don't have that, the best ideal stove you can have for this is a gas cooktop. If you don't have a gas or an electric smooth cooktop, hit the link down below and you'll know exactly what to do for your stovetop. Now the idea behind roasting it is to get a slight char all around that eggplant, and as it cooks down and as you turn it on each side every few minutes, you'll start to notice that the eggplant is going to turn softer and softer, and it's going to give out a really nice smoky aroma which is going to go inside that eggplant, which will give an incredible flavor inside. Now as soon as that is done, you can set that eggplant aside on a plate or a cutting board to cool down while we start on our actual curry. So in my pan here, I'm heating up some ghee with some cumin seeds and hing. Let that get nice and toasted, aromatic, and then add in your ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Let the ginger, garlic, and chilies cook really well, a few minutes until the rawness has cooked out, and then add in all of your onions. Add a pinch of salt to help cook down the onions and make them soft, and as soon as that happens, add in all of your tomatoes. Now to your tomatoes, we're gonna add in our turmeric, ground coriander, degi mirch, and some salt. The salt is again gonna help cook down those tomatoes. Now as the tomatoes cook down, let's put our focus back onto our eggplant, which has been resting. So just cut that down the middle, and you're going to use a spoon to scoop out all that nice smoky flesh. If you get a bit of skin in there, don't worry. I kind of like incorporating a bit of it, not too much, to really add that smokiness into the curry. If you add too much, it may become too strong, the smoky flavor, but I would like you to experiment and add as much as you like in your dish. Now once you have all that flesh out and your tomatoes have cooked down, add the eggplant right into that tomatoey masala. Give it a really good mix and then season it with some garam masala and a bit of cilantro. Season it to taste, and for a final garnish, put more cilantro, and this dish is going to be so easy to do. It's going to be so delicious, and you really want to control how much spice you put. Don't overdo this one because you really want that roasted eggplant to be the star. And with too much spice, you're gonna overrule that roasted eggplant flavor. Let that be the star. Now I'm having this with naan today, but you can have it with roti, paratha, rice, and lentils, and I'll link all of those delicious side dishes in the description box down below. I remember growing up, I did not like vegetables at all, as you may have learned from my other videos. And one day, one of my aunts cooked me an eggplant, and this was kind of my version of my memory of that Baingan Bharta. If you want more videos just like this one, or if there's a recipe which you would like me to make, let me know in the comments down below. And I would also like to shout out all the people who participated in the poll. The curry did exceed the pasta, so I hope this was worth the wait. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.